So yun guys, nagbabalik tayo sa video na ito, at ang video na ito ay magfo-focus sa aking leg workout. So yan, inuna ko po ang leg curl kasi I find it really nice on the knees po, and yun, mas maganda unahin ng hamstrings for me in my opinion. So yan, squats ang sunod. Like I said, those leg curls will warm me up for the squats. I don't know why, pero para sa akin yan guys. So yan, squats, heavy po yan. Now, bago po kayo mag heavy squats, mag warm up sets muna kayo, at least 3 or 4 warm up sets para ma-prime yung katawan nyo before the heavy squats. So yan, heavy squats yan, 3x3 po ginagawa ko dyan. At ang susunod natin na exercise ay Romanian deadlifts. Again, para sa hamstrings po natin to. A bit of glutes and lower back. So yan. Ayan ako, contemplating about life. Iniisip kung ano pinagagawa ko sa buhay. Yan guys. So ang next exercise natin ay leg press. So I like to go high reps dito. And yun, gagawin ko dito 4 sets. And then ang last one natin ay leg extensions with a slight pause and slow negatives. So yan, nakakasunog yan ng legs guys. Recommended yan. Na-recommend ko i-try nyo yan. Make sure to pause. At yan ako guys, struggling to go down the stairs. Yun guys, thank you for watching the video, and make sure to follow my TikTok for more content.